Now we are going to understand about data frames in pandas. Now how to create a data frame. First let us create a data frame on our own, then start downloading some open data sets and analyze them by getting it into data frames within this Jupyter notebook. Now let us first create a data frame from dictionary of Python series. You know what is a dictionary? Dictionaries are key value pairs in Python. Now, in this case, you are creating a dictionary with key value 1 and you are associating a series as its value. Here the key is 1 and you are creating a panda series and associating it as value to 1. Again you are creating a key 2 and creating a series, panda series that you are associating with this key 2. Okay, so this how you are creating this panda series. You can see that I have omitted data argument, mentioning the data argument, though I give the values. See, in the previous case here, we have given the data argument and mentioned the list of values for the data argument. But in this case, I have not mentioned data because it is optional. Even I can skip mentioning index also. That is also optional. Okay. Now we are creating data with values 100, 200 and 300 and their corresponding index, apple, ball and clock. So apple will be associated with 100, ball is associated with 200 and clock is associated with 300. In the same way, we are creating another series. Now apple has value 111, ball has 222, Cyril 333 and Dancy some 4444. Now we have to take this dictionary and that dictionary we are passing as parameter to pd.dataframe. What we are doing here, we are using the method data frame in order to convert a dictionary into a data frame, right? So we are taking this dictionary D, which has the key value pairs. We are taking this dictionary and converting it into a data frame and storing it in the object df and printing that df. Now let's see how it is rendered. First we have to execute this command, then execute this. You can see that under column 1, this dictionary's key is taken as column 1 name here and dictionary's second key 2 is taken as column 2 here. And you can notice that under column 1, apple has 200, apple has 100, ball has 200 and clock has 300. But what about this Cyril and Dancy? Let us say column 2 also. In column 2 we have apple, ball, Cyril and Nancy. We doesn't have clock. So apple's value 111, 222, ball 333, Cyril and 4444 Dancy is taken. But because we are combining this into a single table, all the index values are taken and if at all there is no corresponding value exists under a column, means here under a key, in that case it is taken as NaN. NaN stands for not a number. If there are no valid values, no valid numerical values in this case under column 1, for Cyril you don't have any value because index doesn't contain Cyril at all. In such cases, instead and it has corresponding value in dictionary 2 under column 2, dictionary key 2, right? That is why in this case we are taking 333 but it doesn't have any value in under column 1. That is why it is taken as not a number, nan value. We call it as nan value, not a number value. In the same way for Dancy, you don't have corresponding value under column 1. So it is taken as not a number. And clock doesn't have any value under column 2. So that is also taken as not a number. Now, if you print the indexes, you can see that all these index values, apple, ball, Cyril, clock, and Dancy are extracted from the data frame. They are also called as row names. Now, if you want the columns, df dot columns. If you want to know the type names of columns, of the data frame. You can give df dot columns. That will give us 1 and 2. Now, if you want in this data frame, if you want to take the index Dancy, ball, and apple, then you can mention the index names Dancy, ball, and apple. Only those index names will be extracted from the dictionary while being converted to a data frame. Right? So we are taking the original dictionary. From this original dictionary, we just wanted the index values, only the rows associated with Dancy, ball, and apple, and that we are converting to a data frame and printing. So you can see that only those indexes, Dancy, ball, and apple are extracted with the corresponding columns and their values. Now you can also select the columns. If you want a specific column, you can do that. Here we are extracting two columns, we are extracting column number 2, but we are also trying to print something with the column name 5, which we originally doesn't have. We have only 1 and 2, we doesn't have 5. So let us see what will be the output in this case. In this case, we are trying to extract values with rows, Dancy, ball, and apple, right? And with columns 2, that is also taken, but we don't have column 5. So when we are trying to extract something with the name column 5, a new column with name 5 will be created, but it doesn't have any corresponding data values. So the values will be embedded with NaN, not a number. In the next session, we'll see how to create data frames from list of Python dictionaries.